was running lean if the tune works. So it is a little lean. There it is.
That was arcing off the header.
We never went and got ice cream. So you finally made it home. Missed your shot at the track, huh? Yeah, 3 extra days at work. I totally missed a test and tune at US 131, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. Oh really, what's the plan? We're firing up Snow Badger tonight. Brand new turbo, no vacuum, back to the old tune. I want to see how he really pulls. You think it will hold? It was running lean the last I heard. Not after the night. If the tune works, he should scream. AFR's back to 11.5 to 1, but we'll know soon. Just don't blow it up before ice cream, okay? No promises. All right, now that I'm back from working, and remember in the last video, the closed loop conversation was going all over the place, same thing with the AFRs. So I put a new O2 sensor in Snow Badger. The battery's nice and charged up. We're gonna get him to idle a little bit and see how he does before we take him on a drive to see how he really likes everything. So let's go ahead and get him fired up and make sure everything's good to go. All right, so now with the vacuum off, back to the original tune that we had to run, that 10.1, new AFR sensor, and yeah, we should be good to go. So let's see how it runs. As you see right there, the AFRs are closer to what it needs to be. The closed loop isn't all over the place at 11%. It's not bad. We want to get that down to 10 or below, so we're still doing all right. Fuel pressure's good. Oil pressure's great. We're going to let it warm up, and we'll go for a little ride around the block and see how everything shakes out. So it is a little lean, but not that bad. So I'm going to go with it and see how it goes. All right, let's go out and see how Snow Badger is doing. Like the turbo itself, hearing it right now, like hearing the turbo right now, and like I'm barely getting into it just for it to spool up is amazing. Like, but listen. I might have to put new spark plugs in it. Kind of broke up a little bit. Yep, I need those spark plugs. It's backing up. So I'll put new spark plugs in it today or tomorrow. But it drives so nice. Yeah, it's under rich. AFR is around 14.3 to 14.7. Close loop went down to 1, 0 and 1, so that's good. AFRs are at 14 to 14 and a half. But then when I get into it, the AFRs do drop down to 13, so that's a plus. As well. I think I'm starting to get low in fuel because now my fuel pressure went down to 61. I made it down to the gas station and the coolant temp did go up to 213 right there, but everything else is looking good. I'm gonna drive it back and see if it goes down, but so far it's doing pretty well. Maybe that's where the coolant temp's gonna be at now that the temperature's getting warmer, but let's go ahead back and see. see if, pretty sure I blew that coupler off again on it. Let's see, yep. There it is. Blew the coupler off. This thing is making so much more boost so fast that those couplers can't even keep up. So gonna have to try to figure something else out for that. But it ran great. Snow Badger did what it needed to do. Well, I was doing some spark plug maintenance. Put all new spark plugs with the heat shields, and I'm glad I did, because coming to look at all this, this one wasn't too bad. This one was all the way down to the middle, so that was arcing off the header. And then the last one was all burnt through. You can see right there, that's a little bit of metal showing, so that was arcing off. And then the third one here, the metal clip that goes inside here was broke, and that stayed on the spark plug. So now I have the TSP spark plug wires are the bigger ones and the boot, so now nothing's gonna arc off the headers or nothing like that. And who knows, maybe I wasn't even running at full power with it. We're gonna take this for a drive today as well.
You know what I just realized? We never went and got ice cream.
Oh, that's right. We'll end up getting this beautiful patio set instead. So that it all works out in the end.